Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo X60 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, let's open the settings because we will begin with the customization of this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So if we are in the general settings, just tap on display and brightness, and as you can see on the third position we've got eye protection option. Of course you can turn it on without any customization, just tap on the switcher here and the screen turns a little bit yellowish, but let's customize it, just tap on eye protection. And as you can see, we've got some options to customize. So first of all, let's focus on the intensity. You can change the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. By going to the left, you can make it cooler and it is actually invisible right now, or you can make it much warmer just by going to the right, and it's almost orangish, I would say, or amber. And of course it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light and you will reduce the eye pain. So just set the intensity like you want to, which option is the most comfortable for you. So here we've got also the schedule option. We can set it from sunset to sunrise, and thanks to this option your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise is probably based on the network, or you can turn it on at custom time. So let's tap on it, for example, and as you can see we've got the start and end time, and after tapping on it you can choose the start time from this clock. So let me pick, for example, 11 o'clock. Let's tap on it, and as you can see it has been immediately applied. And the same situation with end option, and let me pick, for example, 3 o'clock. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the screen automatically changed to the yellowish colors, and of course it is because we are between the start and end time we just set. But let me turn off this option. Let me turn it on manually, and actually this is the whole customization of this feature. So we can go back and let me show you much faster access to it using the shortcut on the panel bar. Let's unroll the top bar here and find this icon, which is the eye protection. If you cannot find this icon here for some reason, no worries, just tap on this edit icon here. You will be able to find it here. Just tap on it, hold it and drag it to this position. But let me get back because I don't want to edit it. So this icon of course is right now activated. We've got the eye protection turned on, so to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state immediately. Of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the eye comfort mode in your Vivo X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.